Hello dear students, this is Professor John Forsyth. Today I'm going to share this short video with you on how to do optical character recognition, OCR, on images using Python. And in order to do this, you'll need to have a few things installed. So you'll need to install a third-party library, Tesseract, which is made by Google. It's a free optical character recognition or a free OCR library, and my other video shows how to install that on Windows. And you'll also need to install, if you're using VS Code, it's probably easiest to install the Tesseract, which is called a wrapper because it uses Tesseract, so it just uses it in Python. And you'll also want to install Pillow with a capital P. And this is an image processing library for Python as well. If you're using PyCharm, you should be able to, in the package manager in PyCharm, you just click the little icon that lets you install things like this. But or you can do pip install at the command line. So first we'll go ahead and import Tesseract. So again, it's assuming you have those things set up. And then we'll, so the Pillow library is actually, for some reason, it's called pill when you import it, or if you're going to use it. So from pill, we're going to import the image, which will allow us to open an image, okay? So I have an image that I've opened already, or that I've created. I just took a picture of a textbook, and I've saved that on the class website, so you have access to that as well. But if you want, I'd encourage you to take a picture of your own text or a piece of text, or scan a book or something that you're interested in doing this with. So it's going to be pretty simple. I'll break it up into 3 steps. Okay, so first we'll open the image. So it's going to be some type of image object. I'll just call it image object. So we'll use image.open. And then the path to that image, mine happens to be in files. And it's a page from these 2 authors, their book, and it's a JPEG. You can also do this with other image formats, including PNG. Okay, so now we have our image object. So now we're going to use Tesseract to read the text out of that. And then we can print our text if I save it into a variable. So it's not perfect. It has, it breaks some things up, like introduces. Actually, that one's not too bad, but it gets some spelling wrong and stuff. But my picture wasn't perfect either. You can look at it yourself, see what you think. There is another thing that we can do that at first glance it may not seem useful, but we have this image to boxes. And so what this is going to do is it'll give us the coordinates of each character on the page according to pixels, which are like a certain space for an image, like a dot, or it's actually more of a box. So it just makes up the whole image. And so this will give us the coordinates of every single character. So if we do that, you can see like the very last character is an S. So it's basically like your X and Y coordinates. It actually has 5 numbers. So I don't understand those numbers perfectly, but those numbers are useful for doing training on specialized characters that wouldn't normally be recognized. And when you install Tesseract, that Tesseract depends on, you can install support for other languages like Arabic, etc. But that's all for this video today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.